This video will walk you through what you might see or encounter or how to use Flipgrid when you're using that in class. We'll be using Flipgrid periodically moving forward to record responses as we're kind of going through different lessons. The one that you'll see today and the one that I anticipate sharing with you in future lessons will have links that you can click on right within the work that you'll be completing for this class. And when you get to that link, it's going to take you to a page that looks similar like this for Flipgrid. And you will need to log in using your Microsoft account, which is your school issued email. So you'll click on the Join with Microsoft. I already have my email in there. You might need to type yours in, but once you type that in and enter your password, I'm already signed in, so I don't need to type my password in, but you'll be using your 1PU password. You can get in, and what you'll see is something similar to this. You'll have a video of me over here reading or talking about the discussion prompt that you're to respond to. I know on mine I tend to also have written directions over to the left of the videos where they probably will appear. But to respond to the video, you simply click record a response. So I can click record a response, and whatever I'm asking you to talk about, you'll then be asked to talk about. I do adjust time limits for how much time I'm giving you to respond to different things. This sample one only has 15 seconds, so a very quick response. The one that you are working on today, I think I gave you 2 minutes to respond to. There's 3 different questions. But I do adjust that accordingly. So I'm just going to do a sample video. I would click the record button. It'll do the quick countdown, and I can respond to whatever the thing is, and when I'm done talking, I can click the pause button. I'll get the opportunity to review my video. I guess I do have to click next. Now it's reviewing. If I'm good with what I said, I can click next. And this part can be a little confusing. I got stuck on this myself when I was doing it. This, you actually have to take a picture of yourself. That's going to kind of be like the title of your thing, so to speak. So you have to take a picture with the picture button in order to go next. So picture time. And then you can click next. It may take a little bit of time to upload simply because the videos are a little bit longer in length. That one was really short. And then you can click submit. Hey, all right, we got our video completed. It is posted, and it will appear with the other responses. With some responses, depending on the video, you might see people's videos kind of populate and look kind of like this one here. This is one we did with the school staff earlier, where you have the picture tiles align. There might be other times when they take more of a stacked appearance, and I'll show you what I mean by that. And on this screen right here, we can see more of a stacked appearance where I have a row. Now, what I'm asking you to do today is not only record a video, but you actually have to watch 2 other students' videos and then comment on your thoughts on their responses. I would very strongly recommend using the sentence starters to kind of go through that we discussed in class. But here's how you respond to somebody's video. You would actually have to click on it, and then you can watch what they said. That was just a sample one I put together. And after you watch what they have commented on, how they responded to their questions, you can add a comment. So if you click add a comment, you'll have the opportunity to do another recording where you record yourself responding to their video. Once you've done, you would go through the same mechanism, record, selfie, etc. Next, next, next. Finally, you would be complete. And once you have recorded your video and recorded 2 different videos where you respond to 2 different students, so 3 different videos, you can then go back into the assignments tab for the assignment, and you can click that turn in button. By clicking that turn in button, that will indicate to me that you do have your 3 videos complete.